Back on the old CJ5 turning into CJ6 project, and today we're working on the front suspension on the Jeep, and Buck, Dad, and me are going to tackle this thing and see how far we get. I'm not sure if we'll get all the way done with it, but we'll give it our best shot. Tag team back again. So we got old Buckaroo cutting off the front plates for the bumper and for the strengthening up the Jeep, the old C channel up here that my dad put in back in the day, I guess. And then we got me and Dad back here on the front suspension, the rear spring hangers. And you gotta grind down both sides of these on the old leaf spring hangers, so you can fit the new Rocky Road Outfitters, their new spring hangers over the existing ones, but you got to grind down the old ones, and it's quite an ordeal. They got to do both sides and grind down quite a bit on these.
It's opening.
Are we tight? Oh, we're still a little bit off, isn't we? Yeah, I think maybe just a touch on your side, because we're all the way over it. We're over this.
If I'm messing with you, let me know.
No.
Now I got into it a little bit.
What's wrong with that?
What's that?
Yeah, I got into it a little bit, but
Oh, did you?
not bad. I mean, nothing that we can't make up.
I know a welder.
Yeah. Yeah, I know a welder. Oh, thank you. Perfect. You read my mind.
We got a bigger one. Oh, shit.
No, this will. I didn't want to get into the bottom. I couldn't really see what the was going on, so I can peel that off. Hammer time. There we go.
Kablammy.
Later. See you tomorrow. All right, cool. Yeah, I got into it a little bit.
You touching everywhere on your side? Because I'm clear of this on my side.
Yeah, it's flush right in here.
Okay. And you're against the frame there, against the frame there. Yeah, and they're good on that side. Just gotta mark the center now. So we go up.
So now do you have to put a bolt through,
Yeah, there.
and that's supposed to go into the hole?
Well, it goes straight up from the center right here on both sides. That's why I marked the frame.
Yeah.
So we'll put it, I'll grind this down a little bit, put your eyes back on. It's tossed on the front suspension, but Buck has to cut these off up here. Because somehow we put plates on this, or I don't know if we did or someone else did, so we had to cut these off before we can start on the new kit and toss these in. The Rocky Road Outfitters, so we're cutting those down and grinding stuff off. So we got a little bit more work than normal.
Dad, let me know if I get you.
What's that?
Let me know if I get you.
All right. Is that light?
You want some pliers?
Oh, no, light.
Hammer? Oh.
Is that light over there? Oh.
Got a zapper?
You gonna zap yourself so we can see how it works?
No.
I have. It doesn't feel
Got your
good.
attention?
It's about as, I don't like this. Well, going underneath like this.
Well, I got a. If we fire up, I've got my impact. If you'd rather use that, my pneumatic, we'd have to fire up the air compressor.
Oh, that one went up in there.
Good.
Oh, what's nice about this is totally going to miss that.
I'm sorry?
Oh, because the spring hanger so much further close, the spring is going to miss it, so we don't have to worry about cutting it 3 times.
Oh, good.
Like last weekend.
Yeah. So this one you don't have to cut anymore. Maybe.
That one has a little bit more.
Yeah, it's sucking up nice.
It does look good.
Yeah.
All right. Now we just got to grind the holy dog shit out of that one now. I guess we could tag team it.
Yeah. I'll get you an extension cord. All right, you're hot. Is that enough? Yeah. Great, Tom. You want me to do that?
See where that is?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, I gotta take out a little bit more. All right. Yeah, looks like it planned out.
That up there?
That's what I see.
Oh, okay.
Oh wait, you'll get a better visual over here with it running parallel with the.
Oh yeah, we're flat up there, baby.
Heck yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's better. I got you. Man, I almost nailed it, didn't I? Push hard up on it and freaking it's in position, ready to drill.
Yeah, because everything has to come off our paint anyways.
Oh yeah.
All right.
We got a gap over here, which I guess we could suck in.
Yeah, that'll suck in with those bolts,
Yeah.
probably.
Oh. Cool.
Or we can put the clamp on there.
And oh, I see what you're saying. Flip it around, bro.
What's that?
So that's on the inside. Yeah. See, that's plumbing everything up.
Like that?
Oh yeah, make it a little bit easier. You wanna hit this side or are you good? Oh, looks pretty clean. I can hit
Yeah, yeah.
this a little bit.
A little bit more.
My turn. It's getting juicy. Oh, battery. All right, now that we got all the bolts drilled, hopefully it fits. You ready, Chad?
Oh, yeah.
Come on, let's do it. Huh. I don't know if I'm farm out of lava.
Let me go from the side.
There you go. I got a hand on it. Whatever you want, up or down, or. Hey. All right.
A little bit long.
This is looking pretty good up here.
That's the same distance as this one, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess.
You ready?
Yeah.
That should do it.
Oh, wait.
That lifts it up. That's good. That's up. We're tight.
Lift it up so it comes off this point here.
Oh, bring it towards me, Chad.
Go over. Yeah, there you go.
There we go. Ta-da!
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
I guess we can stop there. We're out of juice.
Yeah, thank God. Freaking slave driver. I'm just kidding.
Well, we almost got done. We ran out of battery. I forgot to unplug something, and then Buck went over to get the new battery, and the battery was dead, so we're kind of stuck in the water. It was like 4 o'clock, so we decided to cut our losses, sit back, and have ice cold hams and relax. So that's it for this one. See you guys on the next one.